Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll discuss about a problem solving question that is usually asked in interviews of any languages like C Sharp, C, C++. So the question is finding the longest common prefix in array of strings. So here is an example, like we have a array that is having four elements: flower, flow, flight, flop. So we need to find a common prefix and that should be longest in all of the items. So how we will do that? I will discuss about that logic first. So these are our elements. So first we will check this flower with all of the remaining elements. So right now we are checking that flower is not available in all of them. So after that we will check, means we will remove the last character of flower, then this will be the string, and now we will check if this is exist in means this is exist in starting of each element. So we are, this is also not available in each of them. So now we will remove the last character of that this string. So now this is flow, and now flow is exist in flow and not exist in remaining two. So this is also not a common prefix still. So now we will again remove the w from it, then flo. So flo is available in two strings but not all. Now we will remove the last character o. So o is this fl string is available in all of the elements. So now our output is fl. So let's look at our code, how we can do it by code. So we will take an array here. Suppose array name is arr, and we have these items. Items can be dynamic, but right now we are taking it static. So flower, flow, and flop. And there was one more, flight. Okay. So first we will, according to our logic, we will keep our first element in a string. The string first equal to first element of the array, and we will create a new string as well to keep our prefix. So this will be blank. So we will start a while loop here till first dot length, because we will remove the last characters of this first string in each of the iteration. Now we will iterate our remaining elements of array to check if this first string is available in start of each elements or not. So we will start a loop for int I equal to 1, because we already kept this first element in a string, that is first. So we'll iterate the remaining items. Less than arr dot length plus plus increment by 1, and here we will check Here we will tag an boolean variable to see if first string is available in each of the elements or not. So we name it like is matched, and by default we can mark it true. Whenever it is not matched, so we will mark it false. So the condition will be here like arr I position dot index of this first, and there should not be, if that is not equal to 0 means that if that is not available in that string or it is on later indexes. So we can mark this is matched false here because it is not matched, and if it is not matched, so we don't need to iterate remaining of the item. So we will break this loop here, and after this for loop we will check if this is matched variable is true, then our longest common prefix found in the array. So we can assume that the output will be here. So we can remove this, we can break this loop here, and we can mark this prefix. We can set this prefix with our first string, and after this we can we need to remove the last character of this first string for each iteration, because if suppose it is not matched in that case. So first substring 0 dot length -1. Okay, so this should work, guys. Okay, so let's check by debugging how it's working. Yeah, so in a starting our first is flower, and in first loop it is not matched, means it is not matched in this flight, so it is marked it is false, so that loop will be break and it will not check the remaining of 2. And now this first string will be FLOWE because R is removed. That was the last character. Now the remaining string will be checked with remaining 3. So it is also not matching. So again it will remove the last character from the string. Now it is FLO, and now it is again it is not matching in the second element. So again this is not our longest prefix. So again it will remove it, and now string is FLO. So FLO is also not matching with flight. So now it is FL. Now FL is matching in flight, and FL is matching in flow as well, and FL is matching with flop as well. So now it is matched. So we got our prefix FL. So that's how we can get this longest common prefix. So our output is FL. We can take one more example as well, like suppose we remove this flight and our output should be FLO. So let's check it. I'll not debug this time, I'll just show the result. So we can see output is FLO. So it is working as expected. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please like it and share it with your friends, and please subscribe the channel to watch similar kind of videos.